Your phone camera is now trying to be your dermatologist, and that should probably make you a little bit nervous, especially when an app claims it can solve your skin's deepest mysteries just by looking at a selfie. We are looking at a tool called Lovi. It promises to analyze your skin, scan your bathroom shelf, and build a routine that is allegedly backed by data rather than just viral trends. It sounds like the future of beauty, but the reality is always a bit more complicated than a glossy interface. On the surface, everything looks very professional. The app presents itself as a high-tech assistant. It scans your face to find flaws. It reads the labels on your bottles to see what you are actually putting on your body. And then it gives you a roadmap. It even offers science-based guidance on ingredients, which is something we all crave in a world of confusing marketing. If you are skeptical, you might look for signs of a scam. But Lovi has some strong defense points. It is available on the main app stores, which means it passed the basic security and quality checks. That usually provides a layer of comfort for the average user. Then there is the social media presence. They are active on the major platforms. With over 40,000 followers on Instagram, they are clearly putting in the work to build a community. It is not just a bot-driven ghost town. People are actually engaging with the brand. Even the leadership is out in the open. The man at the top, Alexis Shagrav, has a real history you can actually verify. He is a visible person with a professional profile. This gives the whole operation a sense of weight, a sense that they are not just going to vanish overnight with your data. But then you start digging into the actual advice the AI is spitting out, and things get, well, a bit blurry. Some users are reporting that the app makes some pretty bold claims. We are talking about things like fruit stem cells, or the miraculous powers of certain plant extracts like resveratrol, and some of these claims are not fully supported by the scientific community yet. On Reddit, the conversations get even more intense. People with long-standing, dedicated skincare routines are finding that the AI does not really know what to do with them. It struggles to offer something better than what they already have. And sometimes the suggestions feel a bit random, or even exaggerated. The biggest red flag, though, is not the science, is the money. There is a growing chorus of voices online calling this a subscription trap. People are finding it incredibly difficult to opt out. Once they have signed up for the premium features, it is like the app wants to hold on to you at all costs, pushing you to stay subscribed even when you have had enough. That high star rating on the official store starts to look a little different. When you compare it to the much lower scores over on Trustpilot, it is a classic case of looking great on the surface, while the user experience in the trenches tells a much more frustrating story. So, is it a scam? Or is it a revolution? It is probably somewhere in the middle. The tool itself has merit, and the data tracking could be genuinely useful for someone just starting their journey, but you have to be careful with your wallet. Do not let the slick design distract you from the fact that once they have your credit card, they're not eager to let it go. Treat it like a fun experiment, but keep your expectations grounded. Your skin is unique, and an algorithm might only be seeing part of the picture. Be your own advocate. Check the science yourself, and definitely read the fine print before you hit that subscribe button.